Good evening. You are going for bank promotion interview and you are appearing. What I am telling now is applicable for all promotions, maybe from clerical to officer, scale 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and up to that. These are all very basic things only. So I will show you about what are the things I have given you, and from there I will take you through the pages. For example, I have given you are you seeing that now? Are you seeing that um, bank promotion folder? Are you seeing it or not? No. So let me try it once again. Let me try it once again. Um, this is the folder I have sent you. Are you able to see now? Excuse me. Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So since time available is very, very limited, I would request you to concentrate on this paper. So among all this is the paper you can prepare now, based on which it has been prepared by your bank chief manager only, Mr. Kedar Kulkarni. Okay. So what he is telling is that when you go for the interview, are you able to listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to dress yourself properly. You will be going in chudidar or in sari.
Chudidar only, sir.
Okay, whatever way in which you feel good, you go like this. And ఇది ఏమని మాకు తెలీదు, స్మార్ట్ బరోడిన్ అని ఏమని చెప్తున్నారు. అది ఈ సర్కులర్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే మీరు చూడండి, లేదంటే వద్దు. అది తర్వాత ఫేషియల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, బికాస్ you should not exhibit your fear or tension to the interviewer. You must smile. And the next point is, while entering the interview hall, you should look at the chairman, smile, and look at others also and smile. Then I think this time it is going to be not online interview. It is going to be in person. So no problem. Okay. Now,
Oh,
what you should do is, normally 3 panel members will be there. What are the questions they will ask in any bank promotion interview? Whatever I am telling is applicable for any bank promotion or for SBI CBO selection also, same thing. Now, you know what is SBI CBO? Any idea? No idea. SBI CBO means circle based officer. Are you listening? Please say yes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Yeah. Life ఉండాలి కొంచెం మాట్లాడితే ఇక్కడ మంచి ఐ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు టెల్ యూ, లేదంటే మెషిన్ దగ్గర మాట్లాడి పంపిస్తున్నాము అది అందుకే. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. నౌ వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ? వాట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రాంచ్ యు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్, యువర్ బ్రాంచ్ or region or zone business figures. Either they may not ask region and zone business figures, but your branch total business adugutunnaru. That means, what is the total deposit of your branch? What is the total advances in your branch as on 31/12? Or if you have latest information, you can tell that also. Then based on that, they will ask you what is CD ratio. CD ratio means credit is to deposit. Credit is to deposit. Supposing you are given 30 crores advances and your deposit is 60 crores, then CD ratio is equal to half, 1/2 or 0.5. So like that you should tell. Then they will ask you what is CASA ratio, CASA percentage. CASA percentage means current account and savings account of your branch divided by total deposits of your branch into 100 is known as CASA percentage. CASA percentage is very important because banks want to earn more profit. Because in CASA, you are spending very less money. For example, current account is without any interest. Savings account, nominal interest. I think in your bank, 2.7 or 2.75. I don't know. That is the interest. So the income will be more for the bank. So CASA percentage. Then what is the branch profit? They will ask you. Then performance against the targets. What are the targets for your branch? Whether the branch has reached it in your bank, are they giving individual targets to you? I think it may not be there. If it is there, whether you are reaching it. So this is what they will ask. Then what is the NPA percentage of your branch? For example, what is the NPA figure divided by total advances into 100? That is NPA percentage. What is that figure? You should know that. Then you must talk to loans officer or your manager to know all these things. Tarvata, you should know who are the top five borrowers of your bank branch, top five depositors. You don't have to tell the name in mock interview with me. It is sufficient you tell this if they ask in your interview. Because the interviewing officer may be knowing about your branch. Maybe he has already worked there or nearby the branch. So they will ask you. Then top five NPA borrowers. That is, even if you don't know the exact names, you must know which type of NPA borrowers. For example, housing loan or some industrial loan or agricultural loan, which is the top five. Otherwise, they will ask out of the total deposits, which type of deposits are more, and likewise advances, which type of advances are more, like that they will ask. Then third party business figures, that is insurance policy or mutual fund canvassing and all that. Then they will ask you what are the retail advances percentage to total advances. So retail advances means you know that gold loan or say what is that gold loan or education loan, then housing loan, car loan, vagera vagera. Whatever loans are classified as retail loan in your branch, what is the percentage of that to total advances? Similarly, in your branch, if you have more of MSME advances, about that also they will ask. So you must know what are the advances that will come under priority sector. What are the various sectors in your branch? Which type of parties are having more accounts? So like that, you must be able to tell. Then how will you ensure to contribute to business? So how are you? Supposing we give promotion to you, how will you contribute to our bank? You are married or unmarried, they will ask you. If you are married, then they will say, or unmarried also, are you willing to be posted anywhere in India? Then whether your family will support you like that. So please get to prepare like this. Then sometimes they may ask in interviews these figures, that is about the bank as a whole. I think your bank, this quarter result has not come, na? Has it come 31st December? No.
Not yet, sir.
So only September figure you go through and get to know all these details. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Then they will ask you any famous or recent incident about the bank or any new scheme has come in your bank or in your branch, any function was celebrated, like that, some questions. Then they will ask you to tell about yourself. Here you have to say, my name is so and so. I studied this degree. I completed in this year and I joined Bank of Baroda or whatever bank it is in this year as a clerk or as officer. And I have passed JAAB or I have not passed JAAB. I have passed CAAB or not passed CAAB. And then say I am working in this seat for the last so many months, whatever it is. Most of the clerical staff will be sitting in the cash department. They will know only counting 1 to 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they may not know other aspects of business of the branch. Are you comfortable whether the manager depends on you for giving loans or taking documents or recovery of a NPA and all that you have to tell. Are you next is every day you should read newspaper from today. I request you to join a group known as uh, newspaper group, and in that group, 1 minute. Yeah, newspaper group. And in that group, I am giving everyday newspaper. You read at least one newspaper, and especially about your place,
Oh,
Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu or Kerala. You must prepare about that particular place details. Then
okay.
they will ask you, very good. They will ask you what are your strengths and weaknesses. Here, normally, I request my candidates to tell my strength is I am a quick learner. I am a hardworking person. I enjoy shouldering higher responsibilities. I am a good team player. I also possess leadership styles. When I was in college, I was doing it like this, something like that. You must talk good about yourselves. You don't have to tell about weakness unless they ask. Understand? Yeah. Next, this question, why you need to be promoted? Why you need to be promoted? Why you want promotion? Obvious reason why you want promotion. You want higher salary and more good career prospects. Okay. This is what you have to tell. Then which department you can handle. Sometimes there can be a stress interview. That is, they may ask very tough questions like, why should I promote you? I will not promote you because you don't know anything about advances. You have not done anything for the branch. Like that, they will ask. Then they may tell some real life cases. Please go through this. Then, in the case of officers, this will come. But for you, this is not a problem. General knowledge, they may not ask very deep. They may ask when is the budget is going to be presented and what do you expect in the budget? Income up to how much is exempted from income tax? What do you know about Form 60? What do you know about Form 15G? What do you know about Form 15H? What do you know about PPF account? What do you know about Atal Pension Yojana? What do you know about Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana? Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? And if budget is going to be presented on, I think your interview, if it is going to be on first, then this may not be of much use. Your
Yes, sir.
interview is first. If you are going on second, they will ask details about that also. This is what you should prepare. And in fact, I give this paper also, CTDI magazine. This is a magazine which gives details about, say, the Reserve Bank circulars and all. And if you go through this, there will be promotion exam questions also, like promotion exam questions, recollected questions, and all that will be there. I suggest you go through only what is that December and November, at least 2 months. You go through because answers are given here. So please go through that. In case they ask some questions relating to that, you can manage that one very well. But this magazine very useful for scale 1 to 2, 2 to 3 people or SBI CBO candidates because they will give you about Reserve Bank circulars. Say Reserve Bank circulars, what are the recent instructions regarding Reserve Bank circulars and all will be given here. So candidates, it is advisable to read from October to December at least, and then go prepared. And what is more important is confidence. But the way you are, when normally people are speaking, is that they lack confidence because they don't have experience. So you should try to face the people with confidence and talk with a smile. So mostly they will promote you. And I have given so many materials, there is no time for you. That is why I am not telling all these things. Otherwise, if you have time, you can go through this one. This is of Union Bank. What are the things they have given in this? This also can be considered by you and prepare your answers. Here they are telling about monetary policy committee, gross profit, net profit, variable, like this, so many new things they have given. If you want, you can go through that and prepare yourself also. But normally they won't ask very tough questions. They will ask only according to what I told you. But this many things are there. If you are coming about 15 days before the interview, you can read all these things. I have given lot of say questions. What are the types of further questions that can be asked? Invariably, this is the routine question. KYC norms, difference between a savings account, current account. This is very simple for you. You can manage them. You please go through this also. Here,
Okay,
these are the questions. I think this one I prepared 1 year back. Tell me about, please read the questions.
tell me about yourself. Tell
Read,
me about yourself, sir.
read.
Sir, actually,
What
can't
happened?
read.
Huh? You can't read. Acha.
I,
Oh, because if you speak, you can't read you. That's what you're
uh,
telling. Doesn't then
yes, sir.
have you passed JAB, CIB exams? Which branches have you worked? What is your present job role? What are your duties? Tell me the procedure for granting jewel loan. What is KYC procedures? Why PAN card is asked? If PAN card is not given, then bank deposit interest up to exempted from income tax, senior citizens exemption form number. Supposing I ask your manager what are the comments he will tell about your performance, why should we promote you, what is the business position of your branch, CASA ratio, which advances are more, Kisan credit card term loan, para banking in your branch, safe deposit lockers, then what are the new points in that this side, I don't know what is. What are the new information about that? But I don't know why I wrote this. Next is repo rate, bank rate. Acha, acha. In all these things, any recent directions, new information about that. Then repo rate, bank rate, reverse repo rate is then short-term STD. That is what is that? What is the other one? Repo rate. Uh, Repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate. What are the other rate? What is the other one? Short, no, no.
MC,
Um, that is MSF rate. There is one more, standing deposit facility. Standing deposit, I have put wrongly as STD, standing SDF, correct. Okay, standing deposit. This you may not know because this is required only at head office level. They only keep this money and all. Then what is about PPF, SGB, CBS, etc. Same thing. Please tell me about yourself, your internet connectivity problem, NPA recovery. That's all I have written. So you please prepare for all these questions and go. 90% all the questions will be under this only. And when you come for mock interview on the dates fixed, then I will conduct mock interview and find out. I think they will talk mostly in Kannada or English. That's what I think so. And have you taken? That's a 1 minute. I'll stop this and talk to you.